Bob! Bob!
Hi, Mr. Z. Did I fall asleep? What time is it?
It's time to go to the zoo!
The zoo? But I have a class to teach this morning, and I think I'm late.
But the zoo has a new zebra. Wouldn't you like to see one, Bob?
I would love to, but before we go, could you come and meet the kids at my class today?
Of course, I would love to.
Hi, kids! Today, we are going to meet the last, but not the least, letter of the alphabet. He is full of zest and funny, too. Who do you think it is?
Hello, Mr. Z.
Zippity zoo! And a big hello to you, too!
Mr. Z is going to teach you some exciting things that start with the letter Z. So let's get started.
Zoo!
Wow!
Zebra! Zip! Zero! And finally, my favorite vegetable, zucchini!
Now that deserves one more round. Can you take us through it again, Mr. Z?
Zoo! Zebra! Zip! Zero! Zucchini!
That was great! Now, can we teach them to write the letter Z?
Yes! Let's begin!
Polly, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Start at the top and draw a sleeping line to the right. Perfect! Then, without lifting your crayon or pencil, draw a slanting line down towards the left. Now, draw another sleeping line to the right. And that's the letter Z.
I would like to try that again, Bob.
Certainly, Polly. Go ahead.
Start at the top and draw a sleeping line to the right. Then, without lifting the crayon or pencil, draw a slanting line towards the left. And then, draw another sleeping line to the right. That's the letter Z.
You kids are super! I thought going to see zebras in the zoo would be the best thing about today. But teaching this class was so much better.
We loved having you here with us too, Mr. Z. But before we leave for the zoo, we want to share a song with you.
Zing away, Bob!
Zippity-zappity-zee, always full of glee. He loves to go to the zoo, like we all do too. Zippity-zappity-zee, writing him is easy. Brimming with zeal and zest, stands above the rest. Zippity-zappity-zee, busy as a bumblebee. He is one in a zillion, zany and forever fun. Zippity-zappity-zee, zippity-zappity-zee, zippity-zappity-zee.
That was super!
And every word is true. Now we can go to the zoo. See you later, kids. We will be back soon with loads and loads of fun.
Bye-bye, kids. Hope you had as good a time as I did.